Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Now, imagine you have a trading strategy that works for you every single day automatically while you focus on your life. Sounds interesting, is it? So, this is a strategy which you can build on an algo platform and execute on a daily basis. And how this strategy is shaped, what kind of results you can get, I'm going to take you through all these details in a minute. So let's get started. So I'm going to share you this strategy. This strategy is based on theta decay. For those people who do not understand theta, let me explain you in a simple term that everything else in the market is unpredictable, but there is only one thing which is constant and which happens every week, every month. There's no change in that. If you have any knowledge about option chain, like how derivative options work, then you need to check out my other videos where we have explained how these things work and how theta works in options. So example, you have Nifty at a spot price of like say 25,000, and you have option strikes which are like 20 strikes above that 25,000 and 20 strikes below that 25,000. So every option strike, for example 25,500, 25,600, 25,700, all these strikes will have a premium value. This premium value is based upon the spot price. It will be having two variants. One is its intrinsic value and time value. So time value is what we are going to target here, because every contract will have an expiry date of options. So for example, Nifty futures has an expiry date of like monthly expiry, and then we have a weekly expiry on Nifty options. So these options decay as they close the gap between the start date and the expiry date. On expiry day, it becomes zero. So even if the market closes somewhere near 25,500 or 25,100, the 25,100 strike price will remain at the money, but rest all the places, all the strikes which are outside OTM strikes, all become zero. So if you understand this, you'll be able to understand this strategy easily. So now coming back to the strategy, I have made this strategy for you guys, and it takes time and effort to test, spend money, and test and repeat and execute in the markets and see what works, what doesn't work. So today, this strategy is generating about 16.3% in last. See if you can see, this has been tested from last year June till now. So your strategy should work in the recent times, because there are a lot of changes which happened in the market structure for last uh, 2 years. So doesn't matter if your strategy has been backtested for 5 years, the results may not be the same. So always better to test your strategies for last 2 years and then see how it works, and in the recent time how it has worked. I don't have to show you the old data. I can show you that it has worked in June, May, April, March there was a loss, Feb, and Jan. So mostly it is very consistent. Only 2 months loss you have seen, that too very small amount on a capital of 2,26,000. So you need to have a minimum capital of 2,30,000 in the account so that you can start to deploy the strategy. So you can see the returns generated for this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. It has generated about 16.3%. Banks are giving you close to about 5.7, the reduced FD rates, and mutual funds promise to give you about 13 to 14% returns. So this is generating more than that, and this is very safe strategy. You can deploy it any day. Just log into your account and open it and activate it, and then forget it. All the steps are taken care by the strategy. So only thing you need to check, what profit it has made during the day. So this is the strategy curve. As you can see, we had a small drop here and then a small drop here, but most of the time the strategy stayed in the uptrend. Now this will stay in the uptrend until unless you don't fiddle with the system, you don't change the timings, you don't overtrade, or you don't click multiple orders at different times. So all that you have to avoid to get the same result. That means if the start time is defined in the strategy, you have to execute the strategy before that and let it run. Do not fiddle with the strategy at all. Okay, so these are the results of the strategy, and these are the parameters on which we are judging the strategy. Your overall profit made is about 25.96% in about 14 months. Number of trades taken is about 248. Average profit per trade is about 236. Win rate is about 65%, which is a very good win rate, 65.32%. And so average profit on winning days is 1000. Average loss on losing days is 1300. And max profit in a single trade is about 1.6%, and max loss is about 9000. The best part about this strategy is this one, which is duration of max drawdown. You have very less drawdown, which is only 10 days. Return to max drawdown is about 5.5, which is healthy. Risk to reward, you can say it is 0.80. Usually these kind of algo strategies, you get this kind of risk to reward. Maximum is 1.1 or 1.2, which is very good. But yes, your max win streak is 10 days, max losing streak is about 5 days. So max trades in drawdown is about 45 trades you will have in drawdown. So very healthy strategy. You don't have to worry about the risk in this strategy. Even if you want to deploy big capital with this strategy, you can always deploy. But there is a trailing stop loss which is set at an individual level. So you need to tweak that. That you have to check with me before you do it. So this is the strategy result, which you can see how it has performed. So basically, if you want to deploy this strategy, the strategy link, how to execute, what are the parameters to be chosen, and which platform to use, all the conditions I have given in this particular course, which you can purchase at a price of about 111. Okay, so this strategy comes to you at a price of about 1111 rupees, which is a good price for you, less than your two tickets for a movie. You know, it's like one date night, or one lunch or one dinner cost for you. So you can just purchase this strategy, deploy it, and see it for yourself how it works. The process is very simple. You have to go through this video, understand this. I've also given the PDF in the link in the description, which you can download this and see it for yourself how this strategy has performed. So backtest result plus how to execute this strategy, both are available for this price which I'm uh, offering today. And if further you want to learn more strategies like this, please do reach out to me for a one-to-one session. We can have a good 2 to 3 hour session where I will analyze your trading psychology, your trading strategy, and what suits your personality and how you should trade, looking at overall conditions and environment which is suitable for you. So trading mentorship is very important. So spend some time if you are serious about this career, even if you are wanting to become a serious trader or serious investor, please do spend some time over the weekend, around 3 to 4 hours. We can have a one-to-one session, which if you want these kind of sessions, I will ensure that you reach your optimum performance basis the conditions we deploy and the things which I'll tell you to process on a daily basis. So do reach out to me if you want a one-to-one mentorship. You can always reach out to me on Telegram, or you can reach out to me on YouTube. I'll call you back if you drop in your comment. So this is a strategy. This strategy is called Nifty Theta 66 strategy, which is the percentage of return, percentage of winning rate we have in this strategy is about 65.32. So I named it as 66%. Do not change any parameters, but you're free to experiment with the parameters to make it better. Always back test your strategy and then only deploy. So this strategy I have already deployed. I have been using it. and I have multiple strategies deployed in the market on a daily basis. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And anybody who's interested to learn algos and how these strategies can be deployed, please reach out to me, drop in a comment, learn in the comment section so I can provide you further details. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.